In this video I will be reviewing Revamin Lash. I will also put an extremely discounted link in the description box and pinned comment of this video, that way if you buy Revamin Lash through that link you get an extremely discounted price, as well as some other amazing bonuses. Revamin Lash is a modern eyelash serum dedicated to people who want to improve the condition of their eyelashes. The product was created based on safe, tested, and natural ingredients. This is a brief review of Revamin Lash for those who are wanted to improve their eyelashes. The formula lengthens and thickens lashes, stimulates their growth, and prevents them from falling out. Revamin Lash deeply nourishes lashes and eyelid skin, creating optimum conditions for eyelash growth. Key benefits of Revamin Eyelash: accelerate eyelash growth, strengthen the hair structure, visibly thicken and lengthen the lashes, moisturize and improve their appearance. You will achieve this thanks to the highest quality ingredients contained in the Revamin Lash Serum, which were composed in such a way as to achieve the maximum effect of lengthening and thickening of the eyelashes. Who is Revamin Lash for? Revamin Lash Serum was designed for women who want long and thick eyelashes. Why you have thin and sparse eyelashes? The main factors are: adverse weather conditions, heavy makeup, gluing artificial eyelashes, rubbing your eyes, improper facial hygiene. How Revamin Lash works. Revamin Lash is an eyelash serum, which was created from the highest quality natural ingredients, so as to ensure maximum efficiency and safety of use, so the regular application of the product makes the eyelashes longer and thicker. Zinc and caffeine contained in the product stimulate the bulbs, which contributes to faster eyelash growth. Thickened biotin and panthenol have a positive effect on hair structure, making the hair nourished, stronger, and thicker. Nourished and strengthened. The use of the product will strengthen and nourish weak hair, which is exposed to external factors every day. This is due to the glycerin contained in the product, which nourishes the hair, and sodium hyaluronate, which makes the hair more resistant. Deeply moisturized. It is very important to keep your skin and hair hydrated. Regular use of Revamin Lash Serum allows the effect of long and thick eyelashes to be achieved. The product is safe for the eyes and does not irritate the eyelid skin, which makes it a popular choice. The first effects are visible after just 3 weeks of use. Price of Revamin Lash. If you want to get Revamin Lash at an extremely discounted price, click the link in the description box and pinned comment of this video.